So Ben, we're going to run through the anger control sequence.
Wonderful.
So what's this first one?
That's a trigger.
And what are triggers?
Triggers are situations, events, environments, or if someone says something that we choose to be angry with.
And what are your triggers?
Trigger for me, I'm in Brighton, I'm riding a bike quite happily, all going well, someone cuts me up.
Okay, and what's this one?
That is negative self-talk.
Okay, and what sort of example could you give for that one?
So negative self-talk is what we're saying in our head while the situations happen. It doesn't come out, it's just in our heads. Dangers are that it winds you up and it actually gives you a reason to be abusive.
Okay, and what's your kind of examples for that?
So I'm riding my bike, I've been cut up, and I'm in my head as like, can't you see you blind, or you so-and-so.
Okay, and what's this one?
That is body cues.
And what are body cues?
Body cues are physical response towards anger, so basically what my body does when I'm angry.
Okay, and what does your body do when you're angry?
Clenched fist on my bike, tongue out, clenched up, shoulders, sweaty back, and I have butterflies in my stomach, and I'll probably be quite hot as well.
Okay, and what's this one?
That's positive self-talk.
And what sort of things are positive self-talk?
So there's two parts of positive self-talk, and the idea is to help start calming you down emotionally. A way of bringing ourselves down using our minds, and there's two parts of it. So there's consequential thinking, so it's about thinking what may happen to me if I do something, and there's also what we call empathy, so thinking of others, putting myself in their shoes.
Okay, what sort of examples would you use?
So on my bike, I wouldn't use empathy, but if I did, I might think, oh, they're running late for somewhere, they might need to get an appointment. But I'd actually use consequential thinking, and my thing was if I stop and argue with these people, it gets out of hand, and either I could hurt them or they could hurt me. So if I hurt them, I could not wear the kids again, or if I get hurt, I can't get to my next appointment.
And what's this last one in?
That's anger reducers.
What are anger reducers?
So there's three anger reducers. The first one is visualisation, where we find a safe space or picture of someone that we can conjure up. The second one is counting, but we count backwards from a real high number to bring us down. Visualisation, so you picture either a made-up scene, an event that's happened, a person, and that makes you feel calm.
Okay.
And then the third example is one I was using on my bike, which is deep breathing. So I'd use a technique between 7 to 8 in, pause, and 7 to 8 out.
Okay.
And that's how I'd bring my anger down on my bike.
Okay, thank you, Ben. And that's the anger control sequence.